Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a function in Power BI which is equivalent to COUNTIF function of Excel. So this is the data set which I'll be using. This is very simple. I have the year in column A and the product in column B. Basically, I want to use the COUNTIF function or equivalent of COUNTIF function in Power BI, and I want to count how many times the product A has been repeated. As you can see here, if I filter for product A, it's repeated 10 times. So using Power BI, I should be able to get the same results. So let me quickly load this data into Power BI. So now I have the data loaded into this Power BI. So what I'm going to do is create a new measure. Let me create a new measure. And then call it as, let me call this as COUNTIF of A equal to. So basically I'll be using the combination of calculate, count X, and try to count the total of product A's. So let me use the calculate function. What I'm going to calculate is the expression that is count X. I need to use count X because the calculation, because we are trying to count the records of A. So the evaluation should happen at the record level or a row level. And that's the reason I need to use a count X function instead of count. So if I use the count function, what happens is like first it aggregates the data, and then I'll get the evaluation happens. So I don't want that to happen. So the evaluation should happen at a record level. So I'm using the count X function here. Count X, and the table name is sheet 1, and expression, I want to do a count of product. So use count of product, parenthesis close. And now I need to close this bracket, and then I need to apply a filter. So I'm counting only for product A equal to A, and then hit enter. So now if I bring this to the values, I should be able to see only the count of product A. You can see here, right? So similarly, I can do the same thing for product B as well. So basically, I'm hard coding this product A into this measure. So that's how the COUNTIF function works in Power BI. So maybe I can show this one more time using, let's count for count if B equal to calculate. Then I want to use count X function because the evaluation should happen at a record level. So I'm using the count X, and the table name is sheet 1, and I want to count the product, bracket close, and then I need to filter this by product equal to A. And then hit enter. So now if I bring this to the values, I should be getting only the count of, sorry, I need to change it to B. I'll be getting only the count of product B, as you can see here. So this is how we can build a function which is equivalent to COUNTIF function of Power BI. Hope this video helped, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.